Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build Apache Tomcat 10.1.5 source code using Jenkins and Ant 1.1 without using the any source code repository. So that is we are going to build the source code from the local directory. Okay. So this is the Apache Tomcat 10.1.5 source code zip file I downloaded from the Tomcat website. So I have provided the download link in the description of the video. Okay. So this is Jenkins. So I am going to create one new project. Before creating a new project, let me show the global tool configuration. So I have already integrated Apache Ant 1.10 and JDK. So JDK 11 and 17 I am using. So I have integrated JDK 11 and JDK 17 already to the Jenkins under global tool configuration. Okay, now let us come to dashboard. So I am going to create one new item. So that will be a freestyle project. So I am giving one name to the freestyle project, Apache Tomcat 10.1. Okay, select freestyle project, click the OK button. That's it. So now freestyle project is created. Now let us configure the freestyle project. JDK, I am selecting JDK 11. So nothing to configure under advanced. Source code management, I am selecting none because I am going to build the source code from the local directory. So which means I am not going to use Git or Subversion. Okay, build environment, I am selecting with the ant 1.10. So JDK I am selecting JDK 11. So build steps, I am selecting invoke ant. So this will invoke the build.xml. Okay. So ant version I am selecting ant 1.10. That's it. So everything is done. Apply, save it. That's it. Now our freestyle project is got created. Now I am clicking the link build now. So this will create one directory under workspace folder. See here, one directory will be created under workspace folder. So I am copying this directory path. I am copying this directory path. Now I am going to the source code directory. Now I am going to extract the Apache Tomcat 10.1.5 source code zip file to that workspace directory which I have created now through Jenkins. So all the source code to extracted to this Jenkins workspace directory. Make sure that build.xml is available. Okay, otherwise project will not work. So the build.xml should be available. Now come to the Jenkins back. Once again click the link build now. That's it. So what will happen? This will automatically pick up the build.xml and source code available on the under the directory, and it will start building the project. See here. So without source code repository, we have started to building the project. So only thing is build.xml should be there. Jenkins automatically pick up the build.xml and will start building the project. So build is successful. So build is successful. You can see that Apache Tomcat 10.1.5 binaries is created along with sample web apps. So you can browse